7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are about to start building our raised beds from Vego Garden. And so we're gonna start trying to build our raised beds. I am hoping that we do not have the same problem that we had with our compost bins, where we just did not read the manual and we had all these issues. So this time we are actually going to read the manual. I have it in my hand. We're going to read it. So let's see what happens. Talk to you later. Bye.
From all panels and lay panels on a flat surface according to the configuration you choose. So you can do multiple configurations of this, and we got 4 of them. We're going to do one. We're going to do a 8 feet long by 2 feet wide version.
8 feet long by 2 feet wide.
Yeah, because we got that the little cover coming, the little netting thing.
The net. Yep.
We got 3 more to build, but we ain't building them today. Not today.
Not today.
So how many of these panels? And we have to lay them out in the way that they're gonna go.
There's more in here too.
I'm gonna get some more chairs because these gotta go. What am I doing? Taking the plastic off?
Inside and out. Is that 2 feet? That's 2 feet. So it's gonna be like that.
There you go. If there's plastic on
Right
it,
there.
I could take it. Okay, so we have taken off the plastic from our Vego Garden beds, and we have each panels laid out here, and we're on to the
make them
next
different
step.
shapes.
What's the next step?
Step 2. Go in the house, eat some pizza, and drink some water and take a nap. Cap nuts are used for the top 2 rows. Standard nuts are used for the lower 4 rows. Assemble all straight panels. First, attach all bolts and nuts loosely. Then tighten using a wrench or with a screwdriver and a cordless drill. Think that's 8 feet?
How did you tell me to measure? Walk it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 feet. Bam. Yeah. All right, how you put these little sides together?
You put these 2 cap nuts on the top 2 ones.
Ooh, somebody forgot the plastic. What you doing in there? Get out here, girl.
I'm taking from a different angle.
You don't need no angle. You come out here and work. Remember, I'm mean and I'm rude.
Do the face again.
This is my mean face. This is my rude face.
Okay, what go where, who, where, how?
These 2 ones right here.
Mm-hmm.
They go on the top 2.
Oh, okay.
And then the normal ones go on the bottom one.
Somebody give me some.
Come on, get in where you
I want to
fit in.
participate.
Here.
Why y'all leave me out? What's this for now?
Exactly.
You read this right?
Uh-huh.
'Cause I didn't read nothing.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You said it, uh-huh.
So 83%.
But don't the
Hold on now.
screws supposed to be on the outside? Because I don't look uniform. That look bootleg. So turn the other way around.
Can't tell me.
You ain't read.
That's what it is. Nope, it doesn't say read.
But you got the paper in your hand. You either read or you look.
We looked last time. This time we need to
That's why we
read.
was wrong. Exactly. We need to read. But the top 2 need to be the little round joints, right? You sure all the screws on the outside, right?
You said read it for yourself.
Yep.
All the screws on the outside.
Yep.
You feel me?
Nah. Just pointing at you. Drop some screws on me.
Throw some D's on it.
Just
Look at that teamwork. Teamwork make the dream work.
step 4, what?
Now you tighten them.
That ain't what the book did.
Make sure they're tight. You have to make sure you tighten them first. And then step 4. So we're in step 3 now.
Already.
Tighten them. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Say something.
Something.
Something just ain't right.
We're making a bathtub. Now get that one.
All right, what's
Go.
next?
Do what now?
After straight panels are assembled, attach corner panels to straight panels using the same method. Make sure corner panels are attached outside of the straight panels.
Does anybody know what the hell he talking about? I sure don't.
This is the top. Okay.
What's the theme song?
Let's go, Vego. Boom, 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 boom.
It's in the thing. Did you get it out?
No, it's right there. Look at that. That's smart thinking. That's how you use your noodle. In the face. At the top.
It's starting to look like a raised garden bed.
Like a bathtub.
Oh, that's a long bathtub.
I got long legs. Supposed to go on the outside?
What?
Is this right? Cool.
Done?
Almost.
What you need to do next?
Put this rubber on here. Whoosh, whoosh,
Step
whoosh.
5. Push the edge along the rolled steel things.
Yeah, whatever he said. Step 5. Push the safety edging along the top rolled steel edge and cut the extra length off.
Where are we going to start?
Right here. This is cool though when you if you have to bend over and the edges won't cut you.
It's great that they thought about this.
That is smart though, so when you bend over.
They thought of everything. And it's affordable too. Is it?
They'll have a discount code from us, so it will be affordable.
Ah! You know I'm about to mess this up.
Cut off the excess. Alrighty.
But
Ta-ta!
is it?
Then you take this rod.
Do what with it?
Install the bracing rod between 2 panel bolt holes. Attach panel and bolt rod loosely, making sure that the rod is connected in the middle.
Only need one rod.
Meanwhile, Bashi is in the bathtub.
Supposed to be more than one rod.
Oh, did you need more than one rod?
No, but it was like where's
All
it?
right, man.
Oh, cool. Well, that's some ingenuity thinking. But you're supposed to go down. Yeah.
You know what it said?
Yeah.
Comment down below what?
Am I on the screw?
Am I?
Can you see? No. Is he on the screw?
Hold on. Yeah.
We made our Vego bathtub. Now fill it up with as much bubble bath as you would like.
I want to try.
Alrighty. Only boys.
Yeah.
Well, after y'all get out y'all bathtub, I'll talk about the Vego garden bed. We will do that.
Help. Help, old man up. There you go. Yeah, too short. I used to do this stuff.
Okay. Right here.
Wax on, wax off. Girl, in the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion sleeps tonight. We didn't prepare none of this.
I know. We got too many projects going on.
But right here. What?
All right, guys. Me about the truth. All right, so they finished putting the garden beds together, and this is the area that we're going to place them in, although we have not prepared the area yet because we've had a lot of stuff going on. So eventually we'll get to this area to prepare it, but we did put our first beds together, and it was nowhere near like the compost bin.
Yeah, we just didn't read the instructions and put them on backwards.
Yep.
We goofed.
They read the instructions this time.
We all read the instructions.
And
we can all read.
We got them done easily with no mistakes. And so this is where they will go. So I'm excited. Yay. This is the beginning of, y'all just having a conversation?
Oh, sorry about that.
This is the beginning of our journey to growing food.
We got to build 3 more of these, and they come in different shapes. So this is the 2 feet by 8 feet. You can do 3.5 by 6.5. You can do so many configurations. It's kind of cool.
Yay.
So whatever shape you need, you can do round, you can do rectangle, square. This is going to be we're going to have that netting thing over the top. So the next ones will be like 3.5 by 6.5. Whatever we need, whatever we're going to grow.
Cool. Well,
look at this guy. We grew a bashi.
It's pretty well balanced.
I just need to water you.
So we just want to say thank you to Vego Garden for sending us all of the beautiful raised garden beds. The color's beautiful. The material is awesome. It was very easy to put together. The instructions were very well written and easy to read.
Matches the house.
Our garden bed matches the house. Look at that.
It's close.
We're coordinating. Coordinate.
I'm a little colorblind, so I don't think it really matches.
It matches.
It's kind of lighter, isn't it? This fool's back here with his thumbs up. Alrighty.
Well, thank you guys so much. Thank you, Vego Garden, again. And thank you guys so much for watching us do our shenanigans and putting them together. And we will see you
Discord group.
in the Discord group.
Peace.
Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.